This man revealed the secret of the big air conditioning companies. He did not have much money to buy an air conditioner. With his knowledge in air conditioning, he used recycled objects to make an air conditioner. He used pieces of copper pipe to connect them together. He assembles them by soldering them with tin to solidify the system. And he used a DC motor and a hélice, allowing ventilation. Accompanied by a small compressor motor, and he used a refrigeration gas, and it works very well. No one liked his video. It did not have many likes and shares.